See here? Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures.
Hi everybody, welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures, and today we're going to be doing a salt and watercolor art project. Alright, Corban's going to tell us what we need. What do we need, Corban?
We need a construction paper, a dropper,
dropper,
some tape, some pencil, some food coloring, 4 containers.
Yep, small ones.
So, a glue, some salt, and a cookie sheet with aluminum foil on it.
Alright, good job. Let's go to the next step. So right now, Corban is drawing a monster. You don't want them to see it?
I was kidding.
Right now, Corban is drawing a monster, and he used the letter O as his reference. So I'm going to show you what book we're using, and you can do the same thing. Okay, this is the book that he's drawing from. It's called Draw Alphabets, and it's by Steve Harpster. And this is actually the picture that he is drawing from the letter O here.
No, I'm drawing the N right now.
Okay, and he's starting on another one too. But he's doing an excellent job here, and so he's going to draw another one. So that's our first step, is just to draw whatever you want. We just decided to draw monsters today, but you could draw whatever you want. All right, stay tuned. All right, so Corban is gluing the outline of his picture here, and he's putting the glue all around his monster here. Now we're going to go to the next step, and the next step is the
salt.
Alright, so we're just spreading the salt here. You have enough, but you're just sprinkling the salt over the glue here. And then Corban is going to shake the salt off. We're going to shake the salt in the cookie sheet there. Now Corban's going to put some food coloring in each of the small containers here.
So this was, oh, this was black?
Alright.
More, see if I can get the green one. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna take this part out, and then
all right, now Corban's going to take the dropper and he's going to color his picture. He's going to put it right where the glue and salt would be.
And there you go. See what happened here?
Yeah.
The food coloring mixed with the salt and the water. So I'm gonna pour the original attachment.
And he may mix the colors, we will see. All right, and there's his masterpiece. This is something that's
I wish I could
easy.
do another one.
You could do another one? So he likes it so much, he wants to do another one. So you could do this at home. Wonderful job, Corban. And he made it from the letter O. All right, now Corban is just Gonna do it with the glue, just kind of make his own design here.
And then I'm gonna.
Oh, he's writing his numbers, 2, 23. Okay, so he made 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some salt on here.
More?
All right, now shake off the salt. Just a little bit. It comes out fast, so just a little bit, yeah. That's why you just need little dots there, and it'll spread out.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Here's the 2 masterpieces. Here's this one, numbers 1, 2, 3, and then my Y. And then here's my alien creature. I'm also gonna do another one, but we're gonna do it without the camera. So thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to see more subscribers, more fun learning adventures with me, visit Corban Fun Learning Adventures. Bye.